You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Caribbean nation, country, you could call it. It is a country, and it's a dual island nation. So let's hear how it is pronounced. Now, the name, I believe, originally is from Spanish, but the official language there is English. So let's hear the Spanish pronunciation first for reference, because the name is from Spanish, Trinidad y Tobago. Trinidad y Tobago. That's how you'd say it in Spanish, but in English it's pronounced Trinidad, Trinidad, and Tobago. Tobago. So if you hear people say Trinidad and Tobago, it's not entirely wrong, because that would be the more Spanish pronunciation. But in English, and since English is the official language, well, it's generally pronounced and accepted to be correct, that it's pronounced Trinidad and Tobago. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.